And for size reference, I am 5'9", 210 pounds. And this is my new bed. To be quite honest with you guys, this is actually really soft. Okay, this is what it looks like without the memory foam pad. It is definitely nice and large, which is excellent. It's nice, soft, and fuzzy on the sides as well. Very nice. So far, the quality I'm very impressed with. Okay, you're going to turn it upside down and you're going to unzipper the black piece away. And then you're going to put the memory foam inside. Also, for the side pieces, you can take the memory foam out of the side pieces, the side wall. And that way, you know, once all the foam's out, you can wash this whole thing, which is pretty awesome. Then once you're done, this is what it's going to look like. Come on. Good girl. All right, so this is our Sheltie dog. Now, as you can see, can you leave it? So this is our Sheltie dog, and you can see that the bed is pretty large for her. However, she loves it. So having plenty of room is definitely not gonna make a dog say, I don't like it. It is super soft, and we seriously have seen her that she really does like it. She really enjoys the bed, and I was playing with her earlier on it. But it is super soft, and it is pretty awesome. Right, Emma? You like the bed, don't ya? You're a good girl, aren't ya? But yeah, as soon as we came home from her walk, she jumped right on the bed. I mean, even still, now she just went and laid down over at another area. Is it so soft? Isn't it soft? I mean, it is super soft. So trust me, your dog is going to love it. If they love beds, it's gonna love it. Like, if my wife says I'm in the dog bed tonight, no problem. Guys, if you get this for your dog, you're spoiling your dog. So if you love your pet and you get this for them, just know they are spoiled because this is so soft. Like, it is so soft.